So everybody, my next jigsaw will be the Lion King from Jumbo. So this one has got 1000 pieces and it is from 2019, so it's not that old. And yeah, I'm quite curious how it will be. I mean, the Jumbo quality, if the motif is easy, it's no problem, but in those sections when you have big parts of one color, it's a bit tricky because there are a few misfits or false fits. So let's see how it goes and let's do the jigsaw. And that was the Lion King. So as you can see here in the sky, we've got Mufasa and of course Nala and Simba, Zazu, Scar, the hyenas, and I forgot the names, but I think in German they are different. Anyway, so Timon, Pumbaa and Kid Simba. So that jigsaw was fun. Well, at least the colorful part was fun. The sky was a little bit tricky because Jumbo hasn't got the best quality, so some pieces would fit in many spaces. But I managed to do it, and I think I did it right, so that's fine. The thing is, what I do when I don't know how to go on, I sort my pieces by shape. I think you already guessed that. And the problem with Jumbo and Falcon, I think as well, but Jumbo especially, is that you haven't got that much shapes, because most of it are just the normal 2 out, 2 in. Like you've got here 2 special shapes, but well, it isn't that much, so you have to just try out every piece by piece, and that takes time. But fortunately, in the time lapse, I can just fast forward it a little bit. Okay, so that was the jigsaw. When I did the edge, I noticed that one green piece is missing, and I was searching for it everywhere. And then I just realized, I think it was this one, and I had those 2 pieces together on the side, so I searched for this piece, the last green piece with no edge, and I just couldn't find it. And then I realized, oh, I already connected it to the shape, to the edge piece, so that was a little bit silly of me, but okay. So that's it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, I would appreciate if you hit the like button, because that will help my channel grow, and yeah, I'm always happy when I get likes. So that was the Lion King, and we will see us next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.